Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best folding workbenches that are available on the market for their true quality. You can check out the product links in the description below. So, let's get started with the video. Starting off at number 5, we have the Express Folding Work Table by TurboForce. This workbench is a great option for those looking for a quick setup and portability. As advertised, it unfolds in under 3 seconds, making it one of the fastest workbenches to set up. Its compact and lightweight design, coming in at just 23.3 pounds, makes it incredibly portable. Whether you're moving it around your garage or taking it to a remote worksite. Despite its lightweight design, the TurboForce workbench boasts a staggering 1,000-pound load capacity, thanks to its sturdy metal legs and robust construction. In terms of design, the workbench features a versatile clamping system that includes bench dog holes, X-shaped grooves, and quick reference measurement markings. These features make it easy to secure your materials and ensure precision in your projects. It's a great choice for those who regularly work with irregularly shaped objects or need quick measurements on the go. However, the plastic tabletop, while durable and weatherproof, may not appeal to users who prefer a more premium feel to their work surface. Overall, the TurboForce Express Folding Work Table offers excellent portability, a strong build, and convenience for DIY enthusiasts and professionals alike. The lack of pricing information and slightly limited customer reviews compared to other options on this list keep it at number 5. If you value speed and portability above all, this workbench is worth considering. At number 4, we have the foldable workbench from BLACK+DECKER. This heavy-duty workbench is built for demanding tasks, boasting an industry-leading load capacity of 1,650 pounds. Whether you're working on heavy projects in your garage, workshop, or outdoors, this workbench is designed to handle it all. The foldable design, which allows the bench to collapse to a mere 3.7-inch height, makes it a great space-saving solution. Plus, its carrying handle ensures you can transport it easily to wherever the job takes you. The BLACK+DECKER workbench features a multifunctional clamping system with bench dog holes, X-shaped grooves, and built-in measurement markings. These features enhance precision and productivity, making it ideal for woodworking, mechanical repairs, or any project that requires secure and precise clamping. The durable plastic tabletop is weatherproof and easy to clean, while the sturdy steel legs provide excellent stability. However, the plastic surface may not appeal to those who prefer a wooden or metal tabletop for aesthetic and tactile reasons. While the BLACK+DECKER foldable workbench offers extraordinary load capacity and a thoughtful design, it falls slightly short of the top ranks due to its price not being readily available and relatively fewer customer reviews. Nonetheless, its impressive strength and portability make it an excellent choice for professionals who need a reliable and mobile workbench. Coming in at number 3 is the BLACK+DECKER Portable Workbench Workmate WM425A. A timeless classic in the world of folding workbenches, this model is renowned for its rugged stability and versatility. With a 550-pound load capacity, supported by a heavy-gauge steel frame and a laminated bamboo worktop, this workbench is built to last. It's the perfect companion for woodworking, DIY projects, and even automotive repairs. The adjustable jaws and 4 swivel pegs make clamping irregularly shaped objects a breeze, while the large working surface can easily transform into a vise for added functionality. Setup is quick and straightforward, folding open and closed in seconds for easy storage. However, at 41 pounds, it's on the heavier side, which may make portability a bit of a challenge. Nonetheless, the weight contributes to its exceptional stability, ensuring it stays firmly in place during use. Priced at $119.99, the BLACK+DECKER Workmate is the budget option in our list, offering great value for its price. Its strengths lie in its versatility, durable construction, and the legacy of a trusted brand. If you're on a budget but don't want to compromise on quality, this workbench is an excellent choice. At number 2, we have the Keter Folding Work Table. This is a highly versatile option that combines portability, durability, and performance into one convenient package. With a 1,000-pound load capacity and a spacious work surface, this workbench is capable of handling heavy-duty tasks, from woodworking to miter saw setups. The included 12-inch clamps can be installed horizontally or vertically, providing secure support for a variety of projects. One of the standout features of the Keter workbench is its quick setup time. It's ready to use in just 30 seconds without any assembly required. The durable, weather-resistant polypropylene construction ensures it can withstand tough conditions, while the aluminum legs add extra stability. Weighing just 27 pounds, it's relatively lightweight and easy to transport. However, the lack of pricing information and slightly less customer feedback compared to our top pick prevents it from taking the crown. Overall, the Keter folding work table is a fantastic option for those who value portability and durability. Its all-weather construction and hassle-free setup make it a strong contender for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Taking the top spot at number 1 is the Worx Pegasus 2-in-1 folding work table and sawhorse. This versatile workbench is a favorite among professionals and DIYers alike, and for good reason. Its 2-in-1 design allows it to seamlessly transition between a workbench and a sawhorse, supporting up to 300 pounds in workbench mode and an impressive 1,000 pounds as a sawhorse. This makes it suitable for a wide range of tasks, from woodworking and painting to heavy-duty repairs. The Pegasus features an integrated clamping system, including 2 24-inch quick clamps and 4 clamp dogs, ensuring your materials stay securely in place. With a large surface area of 31 by 25 inches and a comfortable working height of 32 inches, it provides ample space for various projects. Made from durable molded ABS plastic with steel supports, it's both lightweight, 29.7 pounds, and built to last. The built-in measuring guide is a thoughtful addition that eliminates the need for extra tools during setup. Priced at $136.99, the Worx Pegasus is the premium choice on our list, but its versatility, durability, and thoughtful design justify the higher price tag. If you're looking for a workbench that can handle a variety of tasks with ease and portability, the Worx Pegasus is the ultimate pick. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.